In the last video, we talked about the why. You learned how your body is stuck in fight or flight. You learned how cortisol is keeping you tired, foggy, and stressed. And I promised you a tool, a manual override to hit your body's brake pedal. This is that tool. This is not a workout. This is not complicated yoga. This is a 5-minute science-backed practice to tell your body, you are safe. You can do this in your office chair, in your car, or right before bed. This is the single most important habit I have built for my own mental health. So, let's do it together. Right now, find a comfortable, seated position. You can sit on the floor, but a simple chair is perfect. Place both feet flat on the ground. Uncross your legs. Place your hands gently on your lap, palms facing up. Sit up straight, but don't be rigid. Roll your shoulders up, back, and then let them fall down, away from your ears. Close your eyes, or just soften your gaze and look down. Step 1. Grounding. We begin by grounding. We need to get out of our racing mind and into our physical body. I want you to bring all of your attention to your feet. Feel the texture of your socks. Feel the solid floor beneath you. Feel the support of the ground holding you up. You are secure. Now, bring your attention to your hands. Feel the air on your skin. Feel the weight of your hands resting on your lap. Notice any tingling or warmth. This is the present moment. There is no danger here. Step 2. The physiological sigh. Now, we are going to manually hit the brake pedal. We will use a breathing technique backed by neuroscience. It's called the physiological sigh. It's the fastest known way to calm your body down. Here's how we do it. We will take 2 quick inhales through the nose, and then 1 long, slow exhale through the mouth. It looks like this. Inhale, inhale again. Long, slow exhale. That second inhale pops open the tiny air sacs in your lungs, and the long exhale tells your brain to activate your rest and digest system. Let's do this 5 times together. Through the nose, inhale, inhale again. Through the mouth, long, slow exhale, all the way out. Good. Again. Inhale, inhale, and exhale, letting all the tension go. 3 more. Inhale, inhale, slow exhale. Feel your shoulders drop. 2 more. Inhale, inhale. Long, slow sigh out. Last one. This is the calmest one. Inhale, inhale, and exhale, as slowly as you can. Step 3. Gentle movement. Now that our breathing is calm, let's release the physical tension. Keep your breathing slow and easy. Gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. You'll feel a nice, easy stretch along the left side of your neck. Don't force it. Just let gravity do the work. Hold for a deep breath. Slowly bring your head back to center. Now, drop your left ear toward your left shoulder. Feel that release. This is where we hold all our computer stress. Hold for a deep breath. Good. Bring your head back to center. Now slowly drop your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch all along the back of your neck. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Slowly roll your head back up. Finally, we'll do a gentle spinal twist. Place your left hand on your right knee. Place your right hand on the chair behind you. On your exhale, gently twist to look over your right shoulder. Just a simple, easy twist. This calms the nervous system. Hold for a breath. Slowly come back to center. Let's do the other side. Right hand to your left knee. Left hand behind you. On your exhale, gently twist to the left. Breathe. Slowly come back to center. Bring your hands back to your lap. Take 1 final deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Slowly open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Calmer? Quieter? More present? That is your rest and digest system. You just took your foot off the gas. You are in control. This is a skill. The more you practice it, the more powerful it becomes. Do this every single day. When you wake up, before a meeting, before bed. You have now taken control of your stress. In the next video, we're going to fix the physical damage from that stress. We're going to talk about silent inflammation and how to fix it. Click the video on the screen to continue your total reset. I'll see you there.